Woodpeckers hit tree trunks up to 20 times every second while searching for insects. At that speed, the impact would easily knock a human unconscious. But woodpeckers never suffer brain damage or headaches from this constant pounding. The secret lies in their incredible anatomy. Their skull is designed with a natural shock absorber that cushions the brain from impact. Even more surprising, a woodpecker's tongue wraps around the back of its skull like a seatbelt, helping protect the brain during every strike. Their powerful neck muscles absorb much of the force before it even reaches the head. The shape of their beak also helps spread the impact safely across the skull. Watching a woodpecker at work is a reminder that nature designs birds in truly unbelievable ways. Relax, observe, and learn from nature.